Guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing an Aliexpress haul video. Let's get started with this tiny package. I think it's silicone. That was the case in one of the previous videos. Yes, it's a silicone. I know I said it with a very disappointed voice, but no. I don't know why there's a number on it. So these are tiny coasters. 4 of them to make 4 coasters, very small ones. These are for the cars because there are smaller kinds of coaster that's made for the cars, the part where the in between seats. The quality of it is really good, not tiny details, so the resin will easily slide in. Really good quality. Okay, next one. Stamps. Alright, first we have a jar. Jars are always good. And then we have a Halloween one, Witch's Brew. Oh, you know what? I can actually put this on it, like this. The Witch's Brew. That's really good. I'm gonna put these on the separate Halloween box. Looks like good details. It's gonna be easy to color and easy to cut. Okay, let's put this somewhere. Alright, we have stamps, holiday stamps, and crystals. Very good quality. Amazing quality to be exact. The drawings, the lines are so thin, it's gonna be easy to color. When it's so thin, it's so minimalist, it's usually a really good quality too. Good design. This one is supposed to be a little vintage. And then we have clocks and watches of all kinds. Modern, old, very small. Some of them very small, but I mean it's the perfect size. But it has a lot of details on it. Little shadow shading to give it shadow, make it look 3D. Really good. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Hopefully the coloring will be easy. And the last one for in this package, we have a vintage one. Text mostly, tags, big ones too. I like when it's big so it can take up a big space. Or you can also put, if you have a poem, you can put it in that jar. That's just an idea. Good quality. Last package for this haul video. Okay, first up we have Trust Your Crazy Ideas. This is either a gift or they did not have something I ordered in stock, so they sent me this instead because I did not order this one. But I'll make use of it, I think. Okay, we have this. Happy Everything. This came with a corresponding die. I really like the frame because I have a lot of dies to make the cards like this. There's a word for it, for those cards. Soul something. Keep forgetting. Anyways, this is really good for framing and then putting stuff inside of it. And it comes with a die, which is always good. Then we have these beautiful flowers. This is one big stamp. Missing You with Love. Very gorgeous. Lots of room to color. Very thin lines. So it's gonna be good quality. And then we have vintage men. Kind of like a steampunk vintage crossover. And then this. I have a lot of this, but in a smaller size. So I wanted to something bigger to take up a big space. And then the music notes. No idea if that's real or just made up, but I'm sure we could figure it out. This, you can put this inside of this. So layer on top of each other and then make it look a different color. Yes, so I just have to remember to keep them together. Very excited. crazy birds. Very thick lines. Two can talk. Yeah, very thin lines. But we have some room to color. It's not bad. This one, a Christmas one. We got everything here. We got deers, gnomes, bear, birds, trees, oh, for a second I thought this was a fish. No, it's an ornament. So we have literally everything here. It's a good size, so perfect for cards. Next up, some flowers. This is the flower, the purple one. It smells so amazing. You can just smell it from like 10 feet away. Lilac? Oh, I could be wrong. Maybe lilac? I'm really not good with names. Oh, yeah, beautiful. I also have a dye here. I just don't know what for. Oh, I found it. Puppies. Beautiful puppies. Minimalist, thin lines, comes with the corresponding dye for the flowers, not the sentiments. Good sentiments, very big, perfect for heat embossing. And gorgeous flowers, so much room to color because the lines are so thin. And then we have more flowers. This is a very thick lines. I don't like it, but maybe it'll be nice. We'll definitely have to see. Every stamp I test out, not only to test out to see the quality, but also to have an example in the back. When I sort it out, on the back there's a paper with the stamping on it, so it's easier to go through when I'm looking for something to see the actual outcome instead of just this picture. Very good. So much room to color. We can do shading or just flat colors. Pretty big, so it will take up a big piece on the card or journal, or I don't know, maybe just coloring for kids. Big typewriter. So if you look through it, you're supposed to see something, but it's very black. It's very, very black. So this is another reason why I like to test out the stamps, put it in the back to see the outcome and if it's even good enough before I stamp it on a card or journal and then possibly ruin my project. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4 separate stamps. Now see, from this one you can see from this one you can tell that there are details inside of it. Very nice, I love it. Nice. And then we have a butterfly. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very primitive. Not a lot of details. It's just like swoosh and swirl and dab lines. Nothing crazy. But looking at it, you know what it is. And I think that's kind of the point of it. Alright, another... I think this is supposed to be a heart? Like an actual human heart. Or maybe an owl? See, when you look at it, you're not really sure. My first impression was a heart. Like an actual human heart. I'm not talking about like this heart. I'm actually talking about like the organ, shape of the organ. But now that I look in the camera, kind of looks like an owl. It doesn't say any, doesn't have any hints. Bow. I don't know, I think maybe it's an owl. Alright, the last one for this video is these really big, I call these the vintage elements because they're tiny little details that will help me fill out white background spots. So that's for that. Very nice. This, I really like to heat emboss these. Good quality, I think. Hopefully there's not too much crowding. Alright, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.